Global warming and greenhouse effect. Children, our Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet having a vast diversity of life. While other planets of our solar system are either scorching hot or bitterly cold. But Earth has relatively stable temperature. What makes our Earth so different? What exactly makes our Earth such a favorable place to live in? Children, it is the Earth's atmosphere, which is a thin blanket of air surrounding the Earth from all sides. This air is a mixture of gases. Just like an umbrella which protects us from sun and rain, this atmosphere protects us from harmful rays of the sun. But its stable temperature is increasing every passing year. Oceans are getting warmer, a lot of change in the climate, glaciers are melting. So, what should be done to control all this? Let us learn about it in this module. Our Earth is constantly receiving enormous amount of energy from the sun, which we receive in the form of light and heat energy. Children, these radiations are in the form of visible ultraviolet and infrared radiations have to first pass through the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the Earth's surface. Now you already know ozone layer is present there in the atmosphere which blocks some amount of harmful UV rays from reaching the surface. Of the remaining rays reaching the surface, a part of it is absorbed by the earth. And some, especially the infrared rays, are reflected back into the space. But some gases in the air trap this heat radiation and resend it to the surface, which leads to heating up of environment. So this exchange of incoming and outgoing radiation that warms up the earth referred to as greenhouse effect, and the gases involved in it are called greenhouse gases. They are carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor and chlorofluorocarbons. But children, are you not wondering why it is called greenhouse effect? Is it something to do with greenhouse? If you said yes, then children, you are thinking in a right way. A greenhouse is a glass building in which plants that require protection from cold weather are kept. The glass cover has to trap all the heat energy and keeps the inside environment warm. Students, now consider our planet Earth. Here, the atmosphere acts as the glass, which traps the heat. The greenhouse effect is essential in order to keep our Earth warm. In the absence of this effect, the temperature of Earth's surface would have been minus 20 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius. But as you know, too much of something is bad, isn't it? Children, over the last 2 centuries, human activities have changed the planet Earth's atmosphere dramatically. The amount of greenhouse gases has increased and is still increasing. They trapped too much heat, and this excess of greenhouse gas results in global warming, which is an increase in average temperature of the earth. Children, consequences of global warming are changing in animal migration and life cycle, change in rain and snowfall pattern, rising sea levels, warmer oceans, and change in plant life cycle. So children, what can be done to reduce global warming? We can plant more and more trees by reducing waste generation, by reducing the use of products which generate greenhouse gases. We can use energy efficient appliances or by increasing the fuel efficiency of vehicles. We can do even by using more and more renewable energy sources. So I hope you all will contribute towards it, isn't it? Thank you for watching.